BetterWay blood testing is a patient-preferred blood testing system that delivers clinically accurate results using a simple fingertip collection. Traditional blood testing relies on venipuncture, an experience many patients avoid or skip. BetterWay replaces that with a patient-friendly fingertip collection designed to reduce fear and anxiety, expand access, and be a more comfortable experience. The patient first provides a visit code on their mobile device that they receive after placing an order and is scanned to begin the process. The Babson Hand Warmer and the BD MiniDraw collection system work together to generate a high-quality capillary blood sample by optimizing and standardizing capillary collection. High-quality laboratory results start with a high-quality sample. BetterWay's sample preparation device automates mixing, centrifugation, and refrigeration to preserve sample integrity from collection through analysis. Each sample is matched to a unique digital record, so orders, status, and results stay accurate and protected. Samples are tracked from collection to the lab to maintain quality and chain of custody, and the platform integrates with existing IT systems for encrypted data exchange and reliable provider access. BetterWay test results are clinically equivalent to conventional blood testing methods and are analyzed in a CLIA-certified and CAP-accredited laboratory. Because BetterWay doesn't require phlebotomy training, healthcare workers can be trained quickly, enabling blood testing to scale across outpatient, retail, and decentralized care settings. Patients receive clear, easy-to-understand results delivered within 1 to 2 days. This supports earlier intervention, improved follow-up, and an overall better patient experience. BetterWay, blood testing reimagined.